it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on our new channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to make an audio call on Instagram. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and if you want to make an audio call on Instagram but you don't know how, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Well, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to tap on your DMs at the top right corner. And now choose someone who you want to make an audio call with. For example, I'm going to choose this user. Now to make an audio call, here tap on this little phone icon. And now it's ringing, so here I've received the audio call because this is my second account. And of course here, if you wanna turn on the speaker, then you can tap on speaker. And if you want to turn it off, then just tap on it to turn it off. Also, you can mute or unmute the mic. And if you want to end the call, then just tap on this icon at the bottom right corner. And if you want to switch it to a video call, just tap on the camera icon at the bottom left corner. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.